Hi guys, how are you today? Are you ready for a knock knock joke? Okay, here we go. Knock knock. Donut. Donut ask. It's a secret. Secrets are no fun unless you tell everyone. Like Baby Echo and Mama Echo, and of course Speedy the Turtle too. Oh no, Speedy fell. He's back. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's start our warm up. And we have all these new glued sounds. They're on the green paper. Repeat after me. ING ring ing. ANG fang ang. ONG song ong. UNG long ong. And let's bring it over here to our standard one. Standard letters. B b. D d. E ed eh. I itch eh. O octopus ah. U up X x. Y y. ANG fang ang. ING ring ing. ONG song ong. UNG long ong. And this is our suffix s that can say s or z. Fantastic. Okay, my friends, we are going to play a rhyming game. So I am going to say a word, and then I want you to think of all the words that you can that rhyme with that word. And I'll write some down. Okay, our word is sing. What rhymes with sing? Come on, tell me all the words that rhyme with sing. Sing, ring, thing, wing, bring, good one. What else could you ping, like ping pong? I like to look at all the letters and think which one could I put before ing and make a real word. What other real words rhyme with sing? Anything else? Oh, fling. Fling. Okay, check out all the words I wrote down that rhyme with sing. Notice when words rhyme, they all sound the same at the end. They all have the glued sound ing at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and box in all of these glued sounds. Okay, can you read me my list? Ring, sing, wing, bring, ping, fling. You try. Okay, nice job. Let's go ahead now and do one more rhyming game. This time, let's see how many words we can come up with that rhyme with fang. Shout them out to me. Fang, ring, sing. Anything else? Hmm. All right, well, here's the two we came up with. Rang and sang. And I can box in my glued sounds. Awesome. Okay, and are you ready for a word of the day? Dun dun dun. Okay, here is the word of the day. Can you read it to me? It's got this glued sound right here, and it starts with this consonant. What is our word? W-ing. Wing. What do you think of when you hear wing? Let me see you flap your wings. chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. That's what I think of when I hear wing. Or sometimes you hear someone say, we'll just wing it. If you don't plan something, you just wing it. So there's a glued sound in here. Let me box the glued sound. And I want you to take out your student notebook and find the W in the vocabulary part and enter the word wing, w-ing, and box in that glued sound. Go ahead and do that now. And then we also need a sentence to go with it. The bird has a wing. A broken wing, okay. I'm starting with an uppercase. I'm doing a space. B starts up in the sky, it goes down. I make the lips first. B, the bird. And D starts as the drum. The bird, doing a space, has, that's a trick word. Space, that's a trick word. The bird has a broken, b, has to start in the sky, make the lips first. O, k, N, and then our word of the day, wing, w-ing, and I'll put my period at the end. The bird has a broken wing. Enter all of this in your student notebook. Pause the screen so you can get it completed. Okay, let's scoop the sentence together. The bird has a broken wing. The bird has a broken wing. Scoop it and read it smoothly. Poor birdie. Okay, nice job with your student notebook. You can put that away and you can take out your tile board. I want you to search through the little baggie of all the extras and find the 4 glued sounds that end with NG and put them in the same order. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. All the vowels except E. Okay, put those on your board and then we are going to practice with them. Okay, pause if you need more time to get those sounds out. All right, repeat after me. What says ang? Point to the one that says ang and tell me the letters. A-N-G. Repeat after me. What says ung? Which one says ung? U-N-G. Great job. What says ing? Point to it and what are the letters? I-N-G. What says z? You should point to 2 cards. S and Z. What says ong? O-N-G. What says b? B. What says sh? S-H. What says am? A-M. What says k? 3 of them. C, K, C-K. Fantastic. Okay, let's make some words. Repeat after me. Sick. Let's tap it out. S-ick. Spell it. Build it on your board. Sick. After you build it, tap out what you wrote. Make sure it says sick. And then check it to mine. S-I-C-K. Okay, let's spell it away. S, and put them back in the correct spots on your board. Keep it neat. I-C-K. Awesome. Repeat after me. Think. Let's tap out think. Ink. We did 2 taps, so only 2 cards for think. A digraph and a glued sound. Wait a second. What am I thinking? We didn't do the ones that end with K yet. Let me change that word. We'll do the word thing. Say thing, and let's tap it. Ing. Thing. Which one says ing? Silly me. Okay, check yours to mine. Ing. Great job. Let's change thing to say ring. You only have to change out one part. Ring. Let's change ring to say sing. Which part will you tap out? Will you change out? Yep, we just need to get rid of this part and make it say sing. Fantastic. Can you change sing and make it say song? Now which part do we change? Song. Ong, ong, ong. Check it with mine. Okay, let's change. Let's spell this away now. S-O-N-G. All right, let's do this word. Hats. Do you hear a suffix? So what's the base word? Hat. Tap out hat. Spell it and build it. Then make it say hats. Hats. Okay, check it with mine. H-A-T is the base word, and then we circle the suffix S. Hats. Let's spell it away. H-A-T suffix S. Okay, let's do a few more words, my friends. You're doing excellent. Repeat after me. Long. Let's tap it. Remember, you can tap it to your thumb or just on a board. Ong. We did 2 taps, so we should have 2 cards. Build long. Okay, check it to mine. Ong. Nice job. Let's spell it away. L-O-N-G. Let's do one more word today. Repeat after me. Puff. F. And remember, when a word ends with F, your head should be going ding, 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 ding. Spell it and build it. Check and make sure that you remembered your bonus rule. And check it to mine. Uff. Bonus F. Because when a word ends in F, L, or S, right after the vowel, we have to double it. Let's spell it away. P, U, F. All right, my friends, before you completely clean up for today, I want you to make sure your board looks just like mine. You should have your new glued sounds in order over here in a nice line, A, I, O, U. You should have your other glued sounds here and your digraphs. And it should be nice and neat. All right, once it's all neat, you can put it away. Great job.